Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify privacy disclosures with app tracking transparency checklist, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify privacy disclosures with the app tracking transparency checklist, start by ensuring your device is updated to the latest operating system. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. Select Tracking from the Privacy menu. Ensure that the Allow Apps to Request to Track toggle is enabled. This step allows apps to ask for permission to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. Next, open the App Store and locate the app you wish to check. Once found, scroll down to the app's details page until you see the section titled Privacy Practices. Here, you will find information regarding the app's data collection practices. Review the developer's privacy policy by tapping on the link provided in this section. Make sure to check for the details on what data is collected, how it is used, and whether it is shared with third parties. If the app has requested tracking permission, you will see a prompt when you first open it after installation. Read this request carefully to understand what your options are. If you are uncertain about the app's data practices, consider researching online for reviews or articles discussing its privacy features. Next, look for any consent management options within the app itself. Many apps provide settings to customize how much data you share and what tracking options you want to enable or disable. To fully understand the app's privacy approach, check for updates on their privacy policy regularly, as this can change. If you discover that the app is not transparent about its data practices, consider uninstalling it. Lastly, always remember to take your time when reviewing privacy disclosures, as informed choices are critical for protecting your personal data. By following these steps, you can effectively verify the privacy disclosures of any app under the App Tracking Transparency Framework. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.